Kids Love Playtime!
Hey!
Hi kids! Today we're gonna learn the color of our airplanes! Let's get started! Alright, Mr. Shark, who's up first? Oh, it looks like we have a blue and yellow airplane first. There he goes. Here he comes. He's blue and yellow. He's a fast airplane. He has his propeller in the back. He's blue and yellow. He is a fast airplane, guys. There he goes. Let's watch him fly. Oh, he's gonna do a dive. There he goes. Oh, he's a cool airplane. He's blue and yellow. He's gonna come in for a landing. There he is. Okay, Mr. Shark. Who's up next? Oh, it looks like we have a blue airplane next. Let's check out our blue airplane. There he goes. Oh, he's fast. This is our blue airplane. He's a really fast airplane, guys. He is blue. There he goes. Oh, he's flying around over his buddies, doing a little show. Nice job. He is a blue airplane, guys. Alright, here he goes. Oh, he's back in his home. Okay, Mr. Shark. Who's up next? Oh, a red airplane? Okay. Here comes our red airplane, guys. There he goes. Here's our red airplane. Let's see him close up. Oh, looks like there's a pilot in there. There's our airplane driver, guys. He's flying the plane for us. Thanks, Mr. Pilot. He's a red airplane. Oh, what's that? You guys want to say hello to the pilot? Okay, there he is. Hello, guys. Thanks for watching. Oops, there he goes. He's flying out. Oh, there goes a dive for you. Another dive. Alright, let's put him back in his place. Alright, Mr. Shark. Who's up next? Oh, he's thinking about it, guys. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Oh, looks like our gray airplane. Can we take a closer look, Mr. Shark? Alright. Whoa! He almost hit you guys there at home. Good thing you pulled up in time. Oh, a dive! Oh my goodness, that's a big dive. Here he comes again. Whoa, my goodness. Coming in from the side is our gray airplane. Look at him, guys. He is gray. He says hello to you guys at home. I'm a gray airplane. He can fly fast. He's got missiles on the bottom too. Look, here and here and here and here. He's got some big missiles. He is fast, guys. He is gray. Let's watch him fly a little bit. He's doing some tricks for his buddies. There he goes. Alright, he's gonna land. Alright, he's back at home. Okay, Mr. Shark, who's next? Alright, looks like we have our green and black ones next. Let's check out our green and black airplane. Here he comes. He's a good flyer. There he goes. Whoa, there he goes. Oh, he's doing some cool tricks for you guys. Oh, he's gonna do a big loop. And there he comes. Our black and green plane. He is cool. He's got two propellers. He's black and green, guys. He has a 1-3 on his wing right there. He is green and black. He's a cool looking plane. He says hello also. There he goes, flying away. He is a good flyer. There he comes in for a landing. All right, Mr. Shark, who's next? Oh, he's thinking about it, guys. He's thinking about it. Oh, it looks like our white plane is next. Is that our white plane? Is he next? All right, let's take a closer look, okay? Here we go. Here comes our white plane. Oh, he is fast. There's our white plane. He is cool. He's really long, isn't he? He's a white plane. He's pretty neat, isn't he? He's got some black wings in the back, but overall, he's white. He's cool. There he goes. Oh, he's coming down for a dive. Oh, another dive across the screen. Wow, this guy is cool. There he goes. Oh, he's gonna do a twist for you. Oh, he just did a twist. Nice. That's our white plane, guys. He is super fast. There he goes. Oh, and he comes in for a landing. All right, guys. Who's next? Who do you think it's gonna be? All right, Mr. Shark, let's see. Oh, it's our silver plane. You like that guy? All right, let's check him out, okay? Here comes our silver plane. He's almost like a helicopter, guys. His propellers are facing up, but look, they also rotate. That's cool, isn't it? So they go both ways. He's a silver plane. That's our silver plane, guys. He's neat. His propellers go both ways. They go up like a helicopter, and then they also go like this, like a normal plane. He is cool. He is silver. He's also got some green wings, but mostly he's silver. There he goes. Wow, he's fast. He's gonna do a special landing for us. Now he can go down like a helicopter. Boom, there's our silver plane, guys. He is pretty neat. Okay, I think we're getting close to the end, aren't we, Mr. Shark? How many more do we have left? No, you can't talk, can ya? We just have one more left, guys. Do you know which one it is, Mr. Shark? Can you show us? Oh, Mr. Shark, that's not a plane. Is it, Mr. Shark? Are you just being silly, Mr. Shark? All right, Mr. Shark, who's left? Oh, right there. Our red plane. Can we take a closer look? All right, let's check him out. Wow, he's doing some cool tricks for you guys. He sure is a trickster. He's a red plane, and there he is. There's our red plane. He's cool. He's also got some silver wings, and it looks like he has the number 52 right there. He is a red plane, guys. He is neat. As you saw, he can do some cool tricks too. There he goes. He's gonna do a dive. Here comes another dive. And another dive. Oh my goodness, he's a diver. Here he comes in for his landing. And there's all of our planes, guys. If you're at home, practice with your colors so you can get real good, okay? Let's recap one more time so we know all the colors. We have a blue plane, a gray plane, a white plane, a red plane, a blue and yellow plane. We have a silver plane, a green and black plane, and a red plane. Those are all of our colors. Thanks for watching our video today, guys. We really appreciate it. If you're at home, please subscribe. We would appreciate it. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye! And oh yeah, we threw in a bonus. Check out Learning Numbers with Planes coming up right after this video. Bye guys! Today, kids, we're gonna learn counting from 1 to 5 using our airplanes. Mr. Shark, are you excited? Mr. Shark really loves counting from 1 to 5. Let's go ahead and get started, okay? First up, we have a blue airplane. He is number 1. He's gonna do a dive. He's a blue airplane and he's number 1. There he goes for another dive. Our blue airplane is number 1. All right, Mr. Shark, who's number 2? Oh, our silver airplane? Okay. Our silver airplane is number 2, guys. There he goes. He's number 2. He's a silver airplane. Here he comes back in for a landing. He's number 2. Next up, number 3 is our red airplane. Came at you guys fast. There he goes. Oh, he's number 3. He's a red airplane. There he comes in for a landing. He's number 3. All right, Mr. Shark. Are we ready for number 4? Number 4 is a red and white airplane. He's fast, guys. He is red and white, and he is number 4. There he goes, circling around. He's coming in for a landing. He's number 4. Okay, number 5. Wow, he is fast. He's number 5. Number 5 is our gray airplane, and he is fast. He says hello.
Hi there.
Can you say hello to the gray airplane, kids? He's number 5. There he goes. All right, number 5 coming in for a landing. All right, there they all are, guys. Let's count them again real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you guys are at home, practice counting 1 to 5. It's important to know all of your numbers. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. And remember, subscribe. Bye.